I think it's important with any enterprise application that one looks at it as not just implementing software. You're not just trying to automate what you do today, but with the TMS, we're bringing some very, very sophisticated tools, very cool things into an organization. The idea is to say, okay, now with these tools, what can you do differently? We want logistics and transportation to enable you to run your company in a way that's better. Whether it's bring materials in, whether it's delivering it to customers, we want logistics and transportation to be the enabler. So bringing in really talented logistics professionals to work with our clients to figure out, okay, this is how you're going to use the software, and say, where do you want to take the company, and how do we let logistics make that happen? That's what we're all about.